Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up and trying on my November Play by Sephora box. I've been getting this box for quite a few months now, and I always like to show you guys what I got, but then also try it all on my face, at least products that I can try on. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Like I said, I've been getting this box for a while. Just to let you guys know, it is $10 a month, and they give you 5 sample size products as well as 1 bonus, which is either like a fragrance, a shampoo conditioner, something like that. And it does retail for $10. So I will link it down below, and then I will also link everything that's in this month's box down below for you guys too, in case you were looking for it. The thing that I do love about this box is that everything is available at Sephora, so it's super easy to get your hands on, and you don't really have to like run around to go to all the different brand specific websites in order to make purchases. So let's hop into what I got this month. All right, this is what the box looks like this month. So there's the little pamphlet, and in this it says Merry and Bright. And the first product that I am going to pull out is from Clinique. This is the Pep-Start eye cream. And on the pamphlet it says, a lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates skin in an instant. Why it brings the cheer, this cream helps visibly depuff skin for a refreshed look. Plus its peptides support natural collagen reserves that are threatened by work, family visitors, and holiday party overload. So it says morning and night, apply a small amount around the eye area in smooth circular motions until absorbed. I actually have another one of these that's open, so I'm going to use this one. I always like to use my ring finger when I'm putting eye cream on. I think I got this in, it must have been in a different Play by Sephora box, I believe. Otherwise it was in like an Ipsy bag or something like that, but I could have sworn that I got it in my Play by Sephora. I do like this, to be honest with you. I would use this in the morning, but I don't always wear eye cream in the morning, so I feel like it's something that I haven't gotten a lot of use out of, but I do like it. All right, I just put my foundation on. So the next product in the bag is from Laura Mercier. This is her translucent loose setting powder. It's this tiny, adorable little sample size, but I actually do have a full size of this, so I'm just going to use this one instead of opening up this little one. Okay, I just put a little bit in the cap, and I'm just going to swirl my brush in it and then set my entire face. This is a product I've used for years, but I actually moved over to using the glow version of that powder. This is what I've been using every single day since I tried it. I did a full video comparing side by side the original and the glow formula, so if you're interested in knowing kind of the difference, I will link that video up here for you guys. But this one is one that I did use for years and years, and I've gone through quite a few of them before trying the glow formula. Okay, I just finished up the rest of my makeup, and I'm looking, I feel like my mouth looks so dark because I just ate some Sour Patch Kids and now my tongue is kind of blue. Yeah, whoops. Anyway, the next and last makeup product in here is from Grande Lips. This is the HydraPlump liquid lipstick in the shade Smoked Sherry, and it says that it is a semi-matte. I have not tried anything from this brand. Oh, this is not what I was expecting. Usually I feel like liquid lipsticks are clear, but you can just see a little swatch of the color in this one. Okay, so this smells really sweet. It smells kind of like a cupcake or something. Okay, I feel like this is slowly getting everywhere. It's like starting to bleed outside of my lip lines. So you definitely need a lip liner with this. Yeah, it is definitely like starting to bleed everywhere. Oh my gosh, this looks like a disaster. Okay, I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to use a lip liner and then reapply just so that I can get a better opinion about this. Okay, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This was included in that Party Girl kit that I recently got. I'll link that video up here in case you missed it. Okay, let's try this again. so that is take two. It definitely did better with a lip liner under it. If you guys know me or have been following for a while, you know this is not a shade that I would normally wear. I'm just way more of a not very bold lip kind of girl. Okay, so that is everything as far as makeup goes in this bag. So I just want to share the rest of the products. First up is from OUAI. This is the leave-in conditioner. I haven't had a leave-in conditioner, I think, since I was a kid. So I'm excited to try this. Oh, for some reason I thought it was gonna have a pump. Oh, it does have a pump. What am I doing wrong? Why is this so difficult? Okay, that was way harder than it needed to be. So it just has a little spray nozzle. So I will test this out and let you guys know what I think about it. Anyway, I don't know why that was so difficult for me. And then next is from Philosophy. This is the 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. And I do like Philosophy's products. I was gonna smell it, but it's sealed. I'll likely pass this on though because I know that I'm not gonna use this because I have cleansers that I already love. And then lastly is from Juliette Has a Gun. This is called Not a Perfume. Let me see what the brand actually is. Okay, so I think the brand is Juliette Has a Gun. And this says, this fresh and clean scent is composed of just one note, Cetalox, making it hypoallergenic and ideal for people who normally pass on perfumes. So let's smell this. Ooh, I actually do really like this. That is a really, really nice scent. Again, it just says that it is, the fragrance family is woody and earthy, and it is the Cetalox note. So I do really like this. I was loving when they had fragrance samples all the time, and then they kind of stopped doing that, and now they mix it up between what they do. So I was excited to have this. I do like it that it has a little sprayer. I don't like when the samples don't have a sprayer. I just will never use it. So that is nice. I know that I have said in a lot of the past videos of this box that I wish that they did more makeup. I feel like when I first signed up, I got a ton of makeup stuff, and now it's like, I'm not getting that much at all. So out of the 6 products, only 2 of them were makeup products, the setting spray and the lipstick. And then other than that, we have a cleanser, a leave-in conditioner, an eye cream, and a perfume. So that, I just want more makeup to try. So anyway, I'm excited to try the OUAI conditioner. This lipstick I'm probably never gonna wear again, straight up. I still feel like it's kind of bleeding out now that it's been on my lips for a bit, and I just don't like the way that it looks. Maybe if it was a different color and it wasn't as obvious, it wouldn't be as big of a deal, but I personally probably won't wear this again. The Laura Mercier, I do like this. The problem with samples like this is that this little area is so small, it's hard to get a powder brush into. This is a powder brush. Like, how do you fit that in there? It just doesn't work. So I don't really like samples like this where the packaging makes it difficult to use the product. But this is a good product, so I can't complain too much. The Pep-Start from Clinique is good. This is a pretty teeny tiny sample size. The perfume smells good, and the cleanser I probably won't use. So I'm about half and half, but overall, I'm kind of disappointed just because I want more makeup. So hopefully next month they'll do more makeup because it is the holidays and like New Year's Eve, so maybe they'll add something like really glam next month. We will see. Let me know down below if you guys get this box, if you got the same things I got. Let me know all the things down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.